Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 10 superfoods for optimal health and fitness. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for promoting brain health, reducing inflammation, and supporting a healthy immune system. The antioxidants found in blueberries, such as anthocyanins, have been shown to have neuroprotective properties, which means they help protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, blueberries are rich in vitamin C and E, which also act as antioxidants and help prevent oxidative damage to brain cells. The fiber content in blueberries promotes healthy digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, which is crucial for optimal brain function. Blueberries have been associated with improved memory and cognitive function, as well as enhanced mood and mental clarity. Furthermore, blueberries' anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the brain, which can have a positive impact on brain health and function. Lastly, the high levels of vitamin C and A found in blueberries support a healthy immune system by strengthening the body's defense against infections and promoting the production of immune cells. Overall, adding blueberries to your diet can contribute to better brain health, reduced inflammation, and a strengthened immune system. 2. Salmon. Salmon is considered a superfood due to its abundance of omega-3 fatty acids, high-quality protein, and essential nutrients, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. The omega-3 fatty acids found in salmon, such as EPA and DHA, have been extensively studied for their numerous health benefits. These fatty acids play a crucial role in reducing the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure, decreasing triglyceride levels, and reducing inflammation in the arteries. Additionally, the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are known to support brain health and improve cognitive function. They have been associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline, improved memory, and a reduced risk of neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Salmon's high-quality protein content provides essential amino acids needed for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. The protein in salmon is also highly bioavailable, meaning it is easily absorbed and utilized by the body. Furthermore, salmon is rich in essential nutrients like vitamin D, vitamin B12, selenium, and potassium, which play vital roles in supporting overall health. These nutrients contribute to bone health, red blood cell formation, immune function, and healthy metabolism. Lastly, the presence of omega-3 fatty acids in salmon can help reduce joint inflammation, making it beneficial for individuals with conditions such as arthritis. Incorporating salmon into your diet can offer a wide range of health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, improved brain function, and support for healthy joints. 3. Spinach. Spinach is often referred to as a nutrient powerhouse due to its impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This leafy green vegetable is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. These nutrients are essential for various bodily functions, such as maintaining healthy vision, boosting the immune system, supporting blood clotting, and promoting strong bones. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which protect the body against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Another advantage of spinach is its low-calorie content combined with high fiber levels, making it an ideal food for weight management. The fiber in spinach helps promote satiety, keeping you feeling full for longer periods and reducing overeating. Additionally, the fiber aids in healthy digestion by preventing constipation and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is widely regarded as an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, making it a valuable addition to a healthy diet. It is a protein powerhouse, providing a high-quality source of this essential nutrient. Protein is crucial for numerous bodily functions, including muscle repair, growth, and maintenance. Greek yogurt's protein content makes it particularly beneficial for athletes and individuals seeking to support their muscle recovery and enhance muscle growth. Additionally, Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, which plays a vital role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Adequate calcium intake is essential for bone density and can help prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Furthermore, Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics promote optimal digestion and can help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. The presence of probiotics in Greek yogurt also contributes to a robust immune system, as a significant portion of the immune system is located in the gut. 5. Quinoa. Quinoa is often considered a superfood due to its unique nutritional composition. One of its key attributes is being a complete protein, which means it contains all essential amino acids that the body needs for proper functioning. This makes quinoa an excellent plant-based protein source, particularly for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, as well as overall body maintenance. In addition to its protein content, quinoa is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. The fiber in quinoa aids in healthy digestion, promotes satiety, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. The vitamins found in quinoa, such as vitamin B6, folate, and thiamine, support energy production, brain function, and red blood cell formation. Quinoa is also a good source of minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese, which are important for bone health, enzyme function, and antioxidant activity in the body. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.